Does your car need a showroom like Shine? Now get premium doorstep car cleaning without waiting in queues or visiting service centers. We bring the shine to your driveway. Foam wash, thick foam for deep cleaning. Car dry cleaning, seats, roof, and floor, fully cleaned. Rubbing and polish, for that glossy mirror-like finish. All services at your doorstep. Just one call or app booking away. Every car deserves VIP treatment. Whether it's your daily drive or your luxury ride, our trained professionals use 100% machine-based cleaning with eco-friendly products now available in your city. Book today and enjoy exclusive first-time user offers, doorstep convenience, affordable pricing, and top quality service. Only at CarExpert. Call now or book on our app. CarExpert, we bring the shine to your drive.